Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, we're gonna see that how you can refund a game that you've purchased on Bell.net or from a Blizzard account and how you can get the refund. So here I am on the landing page or on the dashboard of the Blizzard.com or Bell.net. So there's basically the landing page. Now what we want to do is we want to get the refund on our purchase. So for that, what we need to do is basically first things first, we need to click on shop. Okay, once you click on shop, then after that a bit of a loading and the shop will load up where you can see all the games that are available. Okay, now what you need to do after this is you need to see here next to your username you'll see support. Now what you need to do is you need to click on support, and once you click on support, there'll be a bit of a loading and you'll end up on this page. Now what you need to do here is you need to click on payments. Here is the option, payments. Click on payments and wait a bit and this window will pop up. Now what do we want to do here? Now here what we'll do is we'll click on contact support, but don't worry, we are not going to send any message or anything. It's basically just straightforward clicking process. Okay, after that what you need to do is click on contact support. Once you click on contact support, a bit of a loading again and you'll land on this page. Now before this there was this issue where you would have to write or this and then you would have select like the problem, but here now they have fixed it. So here what you need to do is this option will pop up, tell us about the issue, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on payment C and then after that click on refunds. Now this isn't done. After this this button will open up for refunds. What you need to do is click on continue, and now here is where the basic kick is for this process. Now what's going to happen is it's going to search for any eligible refund that they think that you can have. So as you can see, there is no eligible refund. Basically, what do they mean by eligible refunds? So basically a game that you've purchased like within a week, haven't played not that many hours. So let's suppose you purchased a game a few days ago and you have played it only for a few hours, a couple of hours, then yeah, you'll probably be able to get the refund on that. But if you purchase any game and play it for long hours, like complete the whole thing or just play all through it or just get all the juice out of it, and then after that try to get a refund on that, it won't be possible. So basically this is how you can find the games that you can find refunds on. And after if there is any eligible game, you can click on that and click on refund, and within a couple of hours you'll get response regarding that. So that's pretty much it on how to get a refund from your Bell.net account. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, if you face any issue while this process, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.